Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of a new subscription box. For me it's new. This is the Violet Wow box and this is a period box basically, so I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside. I just noticed that this box is quite heavy and the weight is also written over here. It's 900 grams, almost a kg, which is heavy. So I never received something so heavy, especially subscription box. So let's see what's inside it. So this is the box. It's bubble wrapped and inside I see a black box. Let's just get it out. So this is the box and it's black in color, and over it it's written the Violet Pamper Yourself. And I really like the quality of the box. I can keep my stuff actually because I'm always out of space, and organizing makeup is tough for me, so I always need something like boxes or something like these, and this is like a magnetic kind of box, so it's like really nice box to keep your stuff. So let's just see what's inside it. Here I can see there is a butter paper over here and a little seal over here, and on the butter paper it's written the Violet everywhere. Let's just open it and see what's inside. So the very first thing I can see is this card, and it says welcome to Violet Club. And then I am having a kind of letter. It's also sealed. Let's just open it and see. So they say, hello beautiful, did you know each lady spends over 1500 days of her lifetime having periods? Violet is here to make them special. You have received the Wow Box 1.7. Each product in the box is thoughtfully selected. Okay, so here are all the details of what products I got and a little detail of the products. So that's really nice that they have given a really nice description of each and every product as well. Let's just see what's inside it, and I will be reading what it is exactly from this letter. This box smells amazing, and you can see what all the things I got in this box. So the very first thing mentioned here is Nature's Co coffee face scrub, hazelnut body lotion, and lemongrass foot spray. I think this is the foot spray. This is like really nice. It just smells like a nice essential oil. Yeah, lemongrass essential oil. So it just smells like that. So it's a foot spray. I will definitely try this. I never tried something like foot spray, so it's a new thing for me, and I would definitely try this. They have not mentioned the price of the products here in the letter. Let's move on to other products. Nature's Co is having two more products. They have three products in total. One was lemongrass foot spray, which I showed you, and then they have coffee face scrub. This is coffee face scrub, and I love having coffee, especially when I'm on my periods. It gives me relief from the pain and everything. I'm normally a tea person in usual, but in periods I love to have coffee. It smells amazing. I feel like having coffee just right now. And the last thing from Nature's Co is a hazelnut body lotion, and this is the hazelnut body lotion. So these are the three products I got from Nature's Co. These all three are sample size, but I would definitely want to try each and everything because I have never tried foot spray, and this coffee scrub smells nice, and this hazelnut also smells nice. It smells actually delicious. I feel like eating these two things. Then I have some products from Just Herbs. One is apricot face scrub, the other is Petal Soft face pack. This one is apricot face scrub, and yeah, it's dry to normal skin. I am kind of combination. I'm like oily to normal to oily skin, so I don't know whether it will suit me, but it smells good. The other product from Just Herbs is Petal Soft face pack. This is the face pack, and it's in a small container like this. Again, I think it's a sample size, not full size obviously. It just smells like multani mitti. So those were the two products from Just Herbs. Then I am having organic incense, and it's handmade incense made from local farmers in the villages in Maharashtra. This is incense, very decent packaging, very normal packaging. As it says, it's made by the farmers, so I don't expect it to be fancy, but it's still very decent. These are the incense I got. I got 5 of them. Okay, so the next thing is Black Baza Yellow Roast Coffee. Oh god, as I told you, I love having coffee in my periods, and I got coffee. This is the coffee. It's again definitely a sample size, and it is Black Baza coffee. So the next thing is Exhaled Yogi tea. So this is tea. This is called yogi tea. So it has cinnamon, rose petal, dry ginger, cloves, black pepper, green cardamom, black cardamom, and black tea. So this is 6 grams of product, and yeah. So the next product is Taifu lemongrass tea and green tea, which is these. So these two are green teas, and this one is jasmine flavored green tea. So then after tea, I am having yoga bar, which is a chocolate bar, and this is the yoga bar. It is inspired by all the good found and nutrition brings us. So yoga bar doesn't contain any artificial flavors, preservatives, high fructose corn syrup, or hydrogenated oils, no chemicals, nothing unpronounceable, just great taste and nutrition. So I would definitely wanted to try this. I'm not a chocolate person, but I would definitely wanted to try this at least once. And this retails for 35 Indian rupees. I can see the MRP on the back of the pack. Then again we have more chocolates. It's Ferrero Rocher, and yeah, you know this brand. Everyone knows this brand. So I got 4 pieces of Ferrero Rocher. So my husband loves it a lot, so I think I would give it to him because I'm not a chocolate person. And lastly, we are having a Tempo hand sanitizer. I'm a big hand sanitizer person. I always carry hand sanitizer in my purse, or whenever I'm starting any makeups, I always put some hand sanitizer on. So this is a very good thing which I'll be using for sure. And this is a Tempo hand sanitizer. It's just 15 ml of product, and it's very good size for traveling because it's like really small. And yes, so this retails for 20 rupees. I can see again from the back. So those were all the product I got from the box, but the box is still there, like it's not empty yet. I have a few more things over here. Let's just see. I think these are the sanitary supplies. Yes, these are the sanitary supplies. I have 15 of the sanitary pads. There's no brand name written on it, but they are Ultra, and I always use Ultra. So that's nice. 15 is a nice number that they have given for just 1 month. I don't use that much in 1 month, so this will last me at least for 2 months. And then I have some panty liners. I have 5 of the panty liners. These are great. Panty liners is must, especially when you're traveling, especially when you're unsure about your dates. And yes, so these are must. So I'm so glad that I got these. So all in all, I loved this box. I seriously loved this box. I think this is their July box. They have not mentioned the month of the box, but they have mentioned that it's a 1.7 box. So I guess 7 is the July, because the next box is 1.8 box, so that's August's box. I totally love this box. Seriously, it's a very nice idea to pamper yourself, especially when you're down, because I always get lazy. I really want someone to pamper me. So if you don't have anyone to pamper you, you have to pamper yourself. So I would definitely wanted to tell you guys that this box retails for 8.99 Indian rupees. This is the Wow box. They have the Fantastic box as well, which is a little cheaper. That will cost you 6.99 Indian rupees. And if you subscribe for more months, like 3 months or 6 months, you will definitely get a good discount. And the very nice thing I really like about this box is they have used all natural products. Like they have used that insane cones which are made by farmers. The brands, skincare brands, are herbal and organic, which is great. One more thing I really want to share with you guys: this box donates every time when you subscribe them. Like with every subscription, they donate sanitary supplies to the girls who are needy, which is great, because you know that in India, especially in the rural areas or even in the urban areas, in slums, the hygiene is not taken care of, especially with young girls. They don't even know what to do. So that's really nice that they are donating these kind of sanitary supplies to them. And you can help them by subscribing this box. So For every subscription they will donate. If you subscribe for 3 months, they will be donating for 3 months. Every month counts. If you're subscribed for 6 months, they will be donating for 6 months from your box. That's like a very nice thing. And yeah, I really enjoyed this box. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you will also try this box as well, because I completely love it. So yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Bye bye.